Tired of dull lighting? Upgrade your home with these top 5 smart LED bulbs under $15. First up, the Amazon Basics Smart A19 LED Light Bulb. This bulb is perfect for anyone deeply integrated into the Alexa ecosystem, offering seamless voice and app control even when you're away from home. You can create routines to schedule lights for security, making it appear like someone is home, or simply set the mood for a relaxing evening. It's incredibly versatile, even suitable for damp locations like bathrooms, making it a great choice for upgrading any interior space. If you're an Alexa user looking for an affordable, reliable smart bulb, this is a fantastic starting point. Next, at number 2, we have the Kasa Smart Light Bulb KL110. This bulb is fantastic for creating the perfect ambiance for any occasion, thanks to its 1% to 100% dimming range. It works flawlessly with both Alexa and Google Home, allowing for convenient voice control without needing any additional hubs. Imagine dimming the lights for a cozy movie night, or brightening them for morning chores, all from your smartphone, or with a simple voice command. This is ideal for families seeking flexible lighting control and broad smart home compatibility. Now for number 3, the Govee Smart Light Bulbs are a game changer for anyone who loves vibrant, customizable lighting. With 16 million colors and 54 preset scene modes, you can truly personalize your space to match any mood or event. The unique Music Sync feature allows your lights to dance to your favorite tunes, adding an exciting dimension to parties or just everyday listening. Group control in the Govee Home app means you can manage multiple bulbs and other Govee devices simultaneously, making it perfect for creative individuals who want dynamic, synchronized lighting throughout their home. Coming in at number 4, the evelor. 6-packs A19 LED light bulbs offer an incredible energy-efficient solution for bright, consistent lighting. These 100-watt equivalent bulbs consume only 13 W, providing significant energy savings without sacrificing brightness. They are non-dimmable, making them perfect for areas like kitchens, offices, or garages, where stable, powerful illumination is essential for productivity. With a 15,000-hour lifespan, you'll enjoy long-lasting, reliable light that reduces the hassle of frequent bulb replacements, proving ideal for practical, high-use spaces. And finally, number 5 is the evelor A19 LED Light Bulbs 4-pack. If you're looking for warm, inviting light, these 2700K soft white bulbs are an excellent choice. They provide an 800 lumen output while only consuming 9 W, acting as a direct, energy-efficient replacement for traditional 60-watt incandescent bulbs. These non-dimmable bulbs are perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere in bedrooms or living rooms where a consistent, warm glow is desired. They offer a simple, cost-effective upgrade for anyone wanting to enhance their home's comfort and energy efficiency. There you have it, our top 5 smart LED bulbs under $15 for 2026. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for the best deals on these amazing products. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Let us know in the comments which bulb caught your eye or what product you want us to review next. Stay smart, stay luminous,